In this video, I wanted to show the ECG electrode for Fibion Flash. So basically you have connectors in the device, and I wanted to show, so we have individually packed ECG electrodes. I can open the package and then I can get the electrode out from there. So basically you can see the connectors here. I can connect the device and the connector, and then basically I have the electrode material, the gel here. Detach this one, and there's the connection, and I can put it on my chest. I can put it with the heart's electrical axis, and I can measure nice single lead ECG for quite a long time with this one. And I can attach this one with the electrical axis of my heart, so I will get a nice ECG curve, one lead ECG curve. And with the memory and the battery, I can do 60 hours of ECG recording with 125 Hz and 32 bits. And if I don't need the full ECG curve, the memory can hold 125 days of heart rate variability data, and the battery lasts 37 days of continuous 24/7 heart rate variability measurement. You can also use, in addition to the ECG electrode, you can use a heart rate belt, but that's usually not so convenient, so comfortable for longer measurements. And the Fibion Flash, in addition to being able to measure ECG, heart rate variability and heart rate, it also has 9-axis motion sensor and temperature sensor, so it's very versatile device. So if you want to learn more, check fibion.com/flash and learn more. And in the end of the page, you can book a time with me or my colleague Miriam Caprita, and we are glad to help and see if this could be a good fit for your research project. Thanks for watching. Have a brilliant day.